I'm here today because we are really excited to announce a new drug policy, a new public health centered approach to how we're going to approach drug crimes in New York. These are things we can do in a certain sequence. So proposal number one, 80% of the staff who work in this office of the Special Narcotics Prosecutor come from the Manhattan DA's office, which means Cy Vance is encouraging and supporting and propping up this office. That's why as Manhattan DA, I would have the discretion and authority to immediately bring those folks home and reduce the capacity of this office. So that'll make a huge difference right away. But in the end of the day, we want this office to be eliminated, and that will require state legislation. So we'll be in conversations in the weeks and months ahead with assembly members, senators, and of course people who are candidates for Assembly and Senate, many of whom support what we're trying to do here. And by passing this bill in the state legislature, we can eliminate the office for good. And then of course, recognizing that Albany sometimes takes a minute, we have this backup plan, which is to remove Bridget Brennan as special prosecutor. And by 3 out of the 5 DAs in New York City supporting this, we can get it done. I will be one of those votes, and I will be seeking the support of 2 of my colleagues to get it done. We always want to make sure we center the voices of people who have been directly impacted by these policies as a reminder of why we have to change the way we're doing things here in New York. So with that, I'm going to introduce my friend Chaka Jordan, who's going to share for a little bit about why drug policy doesn't work the way it currently stands here in New York.
I'm 43 years old. I have been in and out of the system since I was 13. I now suffer from several mental illnesses due to the harsh environments that I was placed in. It's hard for me to find meaningful employment. I did my time. Today I'm a different person. However, I stand today a broken man. After all of the time away, I come home wanting to do well. But the system, the same system that was in charge of putting me in corrections, has also ultimately destroyed me and damaged me beyond repair. I'm saying this today because I know that these policies that we have are better. And for 2 reasons: for the guys that suffer like me today, and for the future generation that don't need to suffer. And we can have benefits and things to help them and get things better.
This office was created by Rockefeller's war on drugs, and it has no purpose in our society 50 years from now, when we should be taking a progressive approach to politics, a progressive approach to drug policy. Thank you all for coming.